Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.30. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has seen a decline of -9.95%. This equates to an average loss of -0.59% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible decline of approximately 11.38% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between -29.24% and +3.65%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -14.09%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could fluctuate from -26.68% to +61.37% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price ranging between $2.52 and $5.55. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline: NIO stock price ended at $3.44 on Tuesday after losing 2.27%. The NIO stock price fell by 2.27% on the last day, Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, from $3.52 to $3.44. During a last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.33%, ranging from a day low of $3.44 to a day high of $3.52. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2.55% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 22 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $75.87 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 55.38%, or $4.27, below the 52-week high, and 94.86%, or $63.55, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has experienced a notable decline, with its stock price falling nearly 20% this year, placing it among the underperformers compared to competitors like Zeekr, Li Auto, and XPeng. Its current trading price stands at $3, leading analysts to speculate on whether it represents a bargain buy. Despite these challenges, several factors could positively influence NIO's performance in the near term. The company is introducing new vehicle models, and its vehicle margins have recently improved, suggesting potential gross margin expansion. Notably, NIO's vehicle margins reached 10.2% in the first quarter of 2025, an increase from 9.2% the previous year, even amidst an intensified pricing war initiated by BYD. This competitive landscape may exert pressure on NIO's pricing strategy, but also compels the company to enhance its operational efficiency. In addition to improved margins, NIO is predicting a year-over-year increase in deliveries for June and the second quarter, bolstered by new product launches. These growth indicators are crucial, especially as NIO contends with a perception of widening operating losses and concerns about future equity dilution. In the short term, these developments can stabilize the stock price if delivery numbers rise as anticipated. Long-term prospects depend on NIO's ability to sustain momentum through innovation and cost control to achieve profitability. If the company successfully navigates these challenges, it could position itself favorably within the evolving electric vehicle market, potentially leading to a robust recovery in share value. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the short-term development of the stock. The NIO stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at $3.61 and $3.83. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 20.19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 36 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 53 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.31. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 8 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 2.33%. In the course of the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's examine the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts project a consensus estimate of negative 470 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.31. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 2.67 cents and begin trading at $3.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.